What's up, y'all? Thanks for checking out the video. May 20th, garden update. It's been a while since I made a garden update, and I like going back and watching the progress and that sort of thing. So I want to walk through, show you the plants real quick, see how things are going. There's a few things that I've done with it. I've got some tomatoes planted real close to each other there. It's kind of packed in, and the idea was, well, I'll cull out plants as I need to. So yeah, just bringing up what I've got in there so far. Hydrangea down here is doing real well. We'll take a look at here. Take a look at that in just a minute. And then I've been moving these around just to get the optimum light. You know, I've got the house here is facing south, and I've got this nice big stretch of sky. That was a hawk. I'll tell you more about them in a minute. Straight across here above the house, that's south, and so we get a good 6-7 hours back here on this fence line. So this is turned out to be the best place for some of this stuff. Now in the very back, that grapevine right here, Catawba grapes, that's just temporary for maybe this season, and then we're going to move that into a more permanent home. Blueberries, those are doing really good. Sunshine blueberries, blackberry plant. This raspberry plant is going nuts. It's really taken off over the past couple weeks. If you go back and look at some of my previous videos, you'll see how small that was when I got it, but it's doing real good. Habanero pepper over here hiding by himself. Tomato, that's not his final home either. He's going to get moved into another, probably a 5-gallon bucket here soon. Patio tomatoes. Watermelon, same deal. These are some more peppers. This guy's really taken off. This is red hot chili peppers. That was an immediate sell for me when I saw those at Lowe's. And this is cool. This is a key lime and Meyer lemon tree. This is one that we're gonna have to keep season to season. You know, the grapes are fine out here in North Atlanta. You know, they'll grow in the ground season to season. This guy, we may need to baby him inside. But that is a key lime Meyer lemon tree. We should be able to get some cool fruits from those at some point. Blueberries really doing well. The blueberries are getting, at first when they started off, something's eating them, probably a bird. But when they first started off, they weren't getting real blue. They weren't really ripening, and then they'd fall. But now they're starting to ripen really well. This massive hydrangea here is blooming. It's real nice. But yeah, look at this thing. It's huge. It loves that spot. And over here to the bed, I've had some bug issues. I think I'm through some of that now, but bug issues, ant issues, chipmunk issues. These guys have been just eaten to pieces. This was all lemon balm or basil, and it has not done well at all, whereas the mint on the other one has done fine, so that's kind of weird. Gotten through some of these bug issues, got dry on a week where I went out of town, but everything is doing good so far. These are the tomato plants that I brought up from seed. You'll see that one, that one, that one, that one. And these are the guys that I bought at Lowe's that had been started indoors. As you can see the difference. I'll be able to get, there he is again. That's a hawk. I'll tell you all that story here in just a minute. It's been crazy all week. These hawks are just raising hell in the neighborhood. So yeah, this is going to produce a lot more fruit than say something you start from seed, because it's just got more time to grow. So this is a bell pepper plant, green bell pepper in the middle here. That one, something broke that, so it's been kind of stunted a little bit, which is fine. So I got a bunch of those. Pepper, tomato, as you can see, the ones, that's okra. I'm a big okra fan. I love fried okra. So I've got a bunch of those. Small peppers just started, peppermint. More tomatoes. More tomatoes right here. Starting some other seeds just because I got extra pots, you know. But these are overflow peppers and tomatoes. And so that is my have a heart trap. I've got another video on that one, but yeah, I've got a chipmunk problem. They get into everything out here. So I'm relocating them for the time being, a few miles down the street. Hopefully that at least beats them back to where I can not get my plants destroyed. So that's the have a heart trap, and I caught a chipmunk there within the first 4 hours of setting that trap. So yeah, I got my culprit. This is a muscadine vine that we're just kind of tornadoing around a tomato cage. So yeah, that thing's doing awesome. It blew up the day we brought it home, and it just loves that spot. So there it is, garden update. I'll wait another few days or so before I do another one. But yeah, really excited to get some fruit, some tomatoes and some peppers, and making some homegrown, homemade meals. So you all stay tuned, see how it turns out.